Next is the elongated holes, or in some applications you may call it a slot. Again, I can go to insert menu and select profile, and from here I can go to predefined profile and find two types of elongated holes. The first one is a straight one, the second one is a cylindrical one. So I'm going to select this, and before doing anything, please note that geometrical constraint is selected and active here. I'm going to show you something. So it says I need to have two centers. So this is one of them, and this is, let's say, another one of them. I'm going to be a little slanted because I want to show you something. And then it says what is the radius, and I am going to select the radius for the semicircles in the end of the elongated hole. So I click on that and it's done. Now I see these because I have this enabled. I mean, the dimensional constraint is enabled, so I can see a dimension. And again, you can see that there are tangencies in the end. So this means that if I go to construction line that in the middle and grab this endpoint and move it to right or anywhere, the integrity of the shape is not going to be broken. This time I'm going to remove the geometrical constraint, and I'm going to draw this one more time, and I'm going to activate it here. Let's select this one and this one as the endpoints, and this is going to be my radius. Now you can see that again I have a construction line. If I go and grab this endpoint and try to move this, you can see that the shape is going to be distorted. But about this one, no, the integrity is not going to break. That's because I have the tangencies enabled. So this is very important when you are working with these type of shapes and you want to keep the shape intact. You need to have that geometrical constraint enabled, and it is very, very important. And the next type of elongated holes are cylindrical ones. So it is like drawing an arc for this construction line and then decide about the semicircles radius. So I go and select this one from here or from the menu on top, and it says first of all draw an arc by using center, start point, end point, and then this is the radius of the semicircles that I just told you. And I have this again because I didn't have this geometrical constraints. I don't have any tangencies. Unless I add the tangencies, if I try to grab this and make it shorter or bigger, you can see that the integrity of the shape is going to be broken. So be very careful when you are working with these kinds of shapes.